Okay, now then, I've cut the bracket off of this, so that I can now comfortably mount the motor. But I'm left with a bit of a mess called metal dust. Now, I can't remember who showed this on YouTube, but I expect you'll find plenty of YouTube videos showing exactly this, how to clear up all the metal dust. Okay, remember our hard drive magnet? Okay, all you do is put it in a carrier bag or a food bag, anything like that, and then you just go over the area that you've got your metal filings or metal dust from the Dremel, and as you can see, it picks it up quite nicely. And you can also do it to get the debris off the Dremel as well, because there is a lot of dust that can be attracted to the Dremel, and it don't take the magnet very long to clear it all up. And it's literally as simple as that, and it means that you haven't got a fine metal dust getting into any future work that you're going to be doing. There you go, all now. Then all you do is you turn the bag inside out, find the magnet where it's gone through, but never mind, wipe them off as well. Right, so that can now get thrown away. And that's how you clear up iron dust, filings, whatever. So now we've got our motor. Let's just get all of the Z-axis. And that is not far off central. Oh, I've got plenty of slack in the bar to bring it up central. Oh, that's brilliant. Okay. Right then, peeps. I'll sort the next bit out, and I'll see you in a bit. I'll try a similar sort of thing with the pulley on the threaded bar of the Z-axis. I've got it in the hot water. It's been in there a few minutes. I don't know what the plastic is, so I'm not leaving them in too long, but I think just a few minutes is long enough, going by my other pulley Triumph. Okay, let's see if we can get this to go onto the threaded bar. I've got to look down on it from the top so that I keep it square and at right angles to the threaded bar. It's hard to tell whether, oops, No, it's not going on. Just catches on the corner and then just jams. Right. I think I'll leave it in there a bit longer. But no, I'm not one to give up. I keep going until I find a solution. Because, as I always say, for every situation there is a solution, eventually. You have to wait for it, but it gets there in the end. The water's still nice and hot. Save you hanging about, what I'll do is I'll stop the video now and I'll come back when I'm ready to do make the next attempt, which will be in a few minutes, I hope. Right, see you in a minute.